Here's how to redeem an Amazon gift card using the Amazon website. This assumes you already have an Amazon account set up. If not, you'll need to create one. You cannot redeem a gift card unless you have one. Also note, the account's region must match the region the gift card was purchased from. I'll have more on that in a minute. First of all, get your gift card code ready. Amazon calls it a claim code. If you have a physical gift card like this one, the codes you see in this area are not the claim code. You first have to tear it open like this to reveal the actual card inside. Then on that one, you need to peel off or scratch off the silver strip that's on the back. That reveals the claim code. Once again, you don't need all those other codes at any point in this process. Now open up the Amazon website. If the gift card was bought in America, it must be redeemed at Amazon.com. If it was bought in Canada, it must be redeemed at Amazon.ca. There's a lot of other country-specific sites as well. If you're still not sure which one to go to, check the fine print on the physical card or on the digital receipt, and it'll tell you which site you have to redeem it at. Each of those sites require a separate account, and there's no way to transfer the funds from one account to another. Go to the right side of the screen and hover above where it says Account and Lists. And in the section that says Your Account, click on the word Account. Then click on the Gift Cards section. Then click on Redeem a Gift Card. Go ahead and hand enter the claim code into the box. The dashes are optional though. It'll work whether or not you enter them or not. Don't worry about capitalizing the letters either. It'll convert them to uppercase as you type. What you don't want to do is add spaces. When you're finished typing it in, double check to make sure it matches what you were reading it off of. If it looks good, click on Apply to your balance. If all goes well, you'll get a message saying it's been applied to your account. If you get an error message instead, type the code in again carefully, making sure you didn't misread a digit. If you continue to get error messages, see my troubleshooting video. I'll put a link to it in the description. Thank you for watching the video.